Hi guys, oh my gosh, have I got something exciting to share with you today. Now, full disclosure, full disclosure. This is from a diamond painting store, but it is not diamond painted related. You can opt out and leave and click on to the next video at this point if you like, but I'm letting you know now. However, you won't be disappointed. Well, I'm not disappointed. I hope I'm not going to be disappointed. I'm excited for it. Come with me. And you're probably wondering, who is me, she says. Who is this random person? Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Grace from Diamond Paint with Grace. Thank you so much for stumbling on my channel. If it is your first time stumbling on my channel, I'd love for you to stumble, stay and subscribe by hitting the little subscribe button down there, next to which is a notification bell which will go ding each and every single time I upload a new video. I don't want to waste any more time. I want to see what these products are, okay, because I'm telling you, they sent me a whole bunch of things. I need to do one video. It's just a whole bunch. It's just like, you just need to trust me. You just need to trust me. Anywho, come with me. Let's throw some love out to the Patreons and the people that have bought me a coffee and a love heart. And I'm going to see you guys on the flip side. Come on, guys. I'm coming. Come on. Come on. Come. Come on. Come. Okay guys, are you ready to get into this package? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's huge. And we're going to have to do a couple of videos. I'm going to do this with my scissors because I honestly don't want to damage what's inside. So let me get into this puppy. Okay, are you intrigued? Are you intrigued is what I want to know. I might have to do this off camera because it's going to be a struggle. I can see it already. What if I just go through this way? Bear with me a sec, guys. Okay. Got some diamond paintings. Okay. All right. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Now, this website has things in a section that unless you go looking, you don't see them. So we're going to do these today. I'm going to do these other items another day. So bear with me a sec. Oh. All right, what have I got here for you today? I know, right? So, they have blankets. Weird, I know. If you want to hang around, let's see. Now, they come in this really nice packaging, this really nice kind of really oversized zip bag, which you can reuse for your diamond painting stash or supplies. But let's see what I've got. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I want to do it that way. Let me get myself situated. So this is the 60 by 80 inches. You're not going to get it all in. And it is the Sherpa. It's a Sherpa feel. Okay, and you're probably thinking, Gracie, why have you got blankets? Well, let me just... All right, there's no uno, due, tre. Well, we'll do it. Uno, due, tre. You ready? For as best as I can. Sun. Look at that, look at that. I'll put it on the floor and we'll do a flyover properly in a second. But to my sun, we might have to do it on the floor, I think. Oh, look. Oh, this is not working. All right, I'm going to put it on the floor. Stay there. Okay, guys, I am so super excited about this. I'm going to take you, it's a Sherpa blanket, 60 by 80. Let's read it. Look at this. And they've got all sorts of ones. To my son, I want you to believe deep in your heart that you're capable of achieving anything you put your mind to, that you will never lose. You either win or learn. Just go forth and aim for the skies. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, remember whose son you are and straighten your crown. Never forget that. You are braver than you think, stronger than you seem, and loved more than you know. I can't promise to be here for you for the rest of your life, but I can promise to love you for the rest of mine. I love you to everywhere and back 1,000,000 times. Forever, love, Mum. Look at this blanket. I now need to find a diamond painting. See where I'm going with this? I am going to find a diamond painting that's going to match this. It is huge, guys. It's huge. It is beautiful to go either on someone's wall. If you have sons that live away from you, or if they're moving away to university or college or anything like that, they can use it on their bed, or they can put it up on the wall as a memento from you. And guys, I mean, like, we don't spell mum like that. Ours is M-U-M. That's the American way of spelling. But anyway, it is what it is. I don't care. Look at that. Look at that. Mama and Baba. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is exceeding my expectations. Exceeding. And when I get back up on the cradle, we'll have a look at, we're going to have a look at the quality and everything like that. So one sec, guys, while I get the second one. I know there's two. I know there's absolutely two. I'm getting down here and it's not comfortable, but the print is absolutely beautiful. I'll check if there's washing instructions and we'll do all that good stuff when we get back on the table. But I wanted you to get a good squiz at this. All right, let me grab the other one out. Okay, you ready to see the next one? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. To my amazing son, never forget how much I love you. As you grow older, you will face many challenges in life. Just do your best. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Every day may not be good, but find something good in every day. Laugh, love, live. Follow your dreams. Believe in yourself and remember to be awesome. I'll always be with you. Love, your mum. Look at this one. So I've got two offspring, and of course I'm going to see if they can decide amongst each other which of the two that they want. But they've got dedicating, like I call these dedication blankets for daughters, for mums, for, I think there might be for dads, for partners, for sons, daughters, and all different ones. How awesome is that? It is beautiful. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Art Painting World. Thank you so very much. I think these are a beautiful gift. And if you want to couple this with a matching diamond painting, if you want to find something that's got, you know, the bear, the wolves in the other one and the lions in this one, I think it is absolutely awesome. Oh my gosh. Let's get you back on the table so we can have a real play and a feel and get into all the nitty gritty. But I hope you like them, guys. Oh my gosh. Not diamond painting. It's not a diamond painting. But I wanted to show you what else that this company has on their website. If you're looking for that extra special, different gift for someone or even for yourself, there's a lot of them on there, guys, a lot. If I try and remember, I'll try and remember to flash some on the screen for you. All right, let's get you back on the table. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, let's get into these blankets. So this is, you have a choice when you go onto the website, and depending on how you feel about texture and things like that, you can choose from Sherpa, fleece or woven. Sherpa, fleece or woven, 3. I chose the Sherpa ones, and there's a bit of a story behind that. When offspring number 2 was very, very young, we had a blanket that we always used to, you know, put in his cot with him, or he'd take everywhere, and it was nicknamed his tickle blanket. And it was very, it wasn't a Sherpa, it was more like that foofiness, but it was his favorite blanket of all. And he's very textural, and he likes wrapping himself up in these sorts of things. So that's what kind of inspired me to go with the Sherpa one. Now let's see if there are washing instructions anywhere on the edge here. I'll have to look on the website, and if I can find them, I'll put them here as far as washing instructions. But normally there might be a tag around the edge, and I can't seem to find any tag at all. Oh, I thought there was one there. No, but they've been woven and sewn on the edge really nicely, so that'll prevent any fraying. I would put them on a very, very cold or warm wash, gentle. That would be my thing, and use some wool wash to preserve that if they were to get dirty. But oh, they are beautiful, and the print is super clear, really nice. And like I said, there are so many on the website. I'm going to go back and get some more, purchase some more as gifts, because I think that, and I think there might be friends ones on there as well. But you've got the pictures here, okay. The printing is very, very clear. Like it's I wasn't sure even though for the size, all that wording, how it was going to be, but it is beautiful. And lots of cliches in there. There's lots of cliches. Yes, I know. But it's the things that as mama bears, or, you know, as mums, we say, you know, it's just basic life. It's beautiful. It's inspirational. And I kind of figure, like I said, you know, it's getting to the end of the school year here for us, and who knows what's going to happen with offsprings and where they're going to go and what they're going to do and where they're going to pursue and everything like that. So for them to take something like this with them, I think is just absolutely awesome. Awesome, guys. Like I said, I'm not going to apologize that it's not a diamond painting thing, but I found it on a diamond painting website. And unless you kind of go diving really deep into some of these websites, you don't find these little treasures that whilst you're ordering your diamond paintings, which I did, okay, you can actually bundle them up with some beautiful different things as well. Look at the edging on this. Look at the pattern. How very tribal looking, yeah? So both my offspring are very, very different to one another. That's a little bit tribal too. It's just a little bit brighter. They're very different. I didn't want to get them the same ones. And the sentiments that are in there, you know, are beautiful and mean just as much for one as it does to the other. I have no favourites. I don't favour. But these are what I've got today. It's only a short video, guys. It's only a short video, but I really, really wanted to present to you. Look at that. Oh, if only you could feel that. If only you could feel how soft. Can you actually get a sense of it? How just beautiful and soft that would feel. You know, when you buy a new jumper and you put it on, and the fleeciness, well, it's not fleece, it's Sherpa. So, but oh, it's just so velvety. I want to wrap myself up in one of these. But I think these are really nice to hang on a wall, to be honest. Or again, like as I said, you can put them over a bed, 60 by 80 centimeters. I'm not even going to have a hope of measuring this. but I think it's big enough. I think it's certainly big enough. This one here, I'm just noticing it here. A little bit of the print has, I think maybe when it's been folded, that has printed on there. So I'll let them know about that. From a distance, you probably don't notice it too much, I guess. I'm just noticing it now as I look closer. But I will definitely let them know. That's the only part, really, that I can see. Yeah, I'm just going really quickly. I feel like I'm in a fabric store. Oh my gosh, I'm being quiet because offspring number 1's gone off for a day at work and offspring number 2 is still in bed. It's bright and early in the morning here. Bright and early, you've no idea. I'm just having a quick look at this one. Oh my gosh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And these bags here, you can use them as storage bags, or these, they're for your blankets if you want, I suppose. Or you can use them for your diamond painting storage ideas. You know, if you've got some, I'm wondering if a 30 by 40 would fit in there or things like that. And you've got your Ziploc at the top. Okay, oops. It's not airtight because it does have a hole in there to release pressure. But you've got 2 of these. Well, I've got 2 because there's 2 blankets, but you'll end up with these bags as well for storage, which is awesome. They came packaged really well. I mean, for what they are, they came packaged really, really well. Very lightweight, so if you are sending this as a gift, it is really, really light. So you could do that as well. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much, Art Painting World. I really, really appreciate it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to give it to them. To my son, you guys. You know, I always talk about my offspring. They are my world. They are my absolute world. And there's nothing I wouldn't do for them and haven't done for them and would never stop doing for them. They are indeed my heart. They are. They truly, truly, truly are. All right, peeps. Well, Art Painting World, thank you so much for sending these through. Keep an eye out, guys, for future videos for some more products from Art Painting World. I'm really, really looking forward to showing you what else I got. But for the meantime, wherever you are in your part of the world, please look after yourselves. Look after each other. If you've enjoyed today, a thumbs up to you, and I would love one in return. Have a wonderful rest of your day, amazing rest of your week. I'm going to send you all much, much love, and ciao, ciao for now.